minimalism and stoicism, together for a fulfilling life. Imagine walking into a room filled with clutter, chaos, and distractions. Now, picture that same room transformed into a serene, minimalist haven. Which one feels more peaceful to you? Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating connection between minimalism and stoicism. These two philosophies, one ancient and one modern, share profound principles that can transform our lives. Let's explore how embracing minimalism can lead to a more balanced, focused, and fulfilling existence, just as the Stoics envisioned. At its core, minimalism is about living with less to focus on what truly matters. It's not just about decluttering your home, but also your mind and life. Similarly, Stoicism teaches us to find contentment not in material possessions, but in virtues and inner peace. By adopting a minimalist lifestyle, you can reap numerous benefits. Increased focus and productivity come naturally when distractions are minimized. Reduced stress and anxiety follow as you let go of unnecessary burdens. And with fewer possessions, decision-making becomes simpler, leading to a more deliberate and intentional life. But let's be honest, transitioning to a minimalist lifestyle isn't always easy. We often struggle with letting go of things we've attached emotional value to. This is where Stoicism can guide us. The Stoics teach us to detach from external possessions and focus on our internal state. By applying this wisdom, we can overcome the initial resistance and find freedom in simplicity. Let's dive into the wisdom of the Stoics with 5 powerful quotes that perfectly encapsulate the essence of minimalist living. Number 1. Epictetus. Wealth consists not in having great possessions, but in having few wants. This quote by Epictetus reminds us that true wealth isn't about accumulating more things, but rather about needing less. In a minimalist context, this means focusing on what's essential and finding satisfaction in simplicity. When we reduce our wants, we free ourselves from the constant pursuit of material goods and find contentment in what we already have. Number 2. Seneca. It is not the man who has too little, but the man who craves more that is poor. Seneca's wisdom highlights the trap of constant craving. No matter how much we acquire, if we are always longing for more, we will never feel rich. Minimalism encourages us to let go of these endless desires and appreciate the sufficiency of the present moment. By curbing our cravings, we find richness in simplicity and abundance in less. Number 3. Marcus Aurelius. The things you think about determine the quality of your mind. Marcus Aurelius emphasizes the power of our thoughts. In the context of minimalism, this means that focusing on clutter and material possessions can cloud our minds. By clearing our physical and mental spaces, we can improve our mental clarity and focus on what truly matters. This quote underlines the Stoic principle of controlling our thoughts to cultivate a peaceful mind. Number 4. Musonius Rufus. The only wealth which you will keep forever is the wealth you have given away. Musonius Rufus teaches that true wealth lies in generosity. Minimalism aligns with this by encouraging us to share and give away what we don't need. By doing so, we not only help others but also find joy and fulfillment in simplicity. This perspective shifts our focus from accumulation to contribution, enhancing our sense of purpose and connection. Number 5. Zeno of Citium. Man conquers the world by conquering himself. Zeno, the founder of Stoicism, reminds us that true mastery comes from within. In minimalist living, this means that by controlling our desires and simplifying our lives, we gain a greater sense of control and peace. Minimalism isn't just about reducing physical clutter. It's about mastering our inner world to lead a more intentional and fulfilling life. In summary, minimalism and Stoicism both advocate for simplicity, focus, and inner peace. By letting go of excess and embracing what truly matters, we align ourselves with the core principles of Stoic philosophy. This harmony can lead to a life of greater clarity, purpose, and fulfillment. Now it's your turn. Reflect on your own lifestyle choices and consider how minimalism and Stoicism can bring more peace and purpose into your life. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights on living a meaningful, balanced life.